My dear people of Anioma, you saw what is playing out, right? Anioma State instead of Anioma State. I know some of you are pissed off, right? But it's fine. Let me explain something to you. This is called Politics 101. You want to take my slot. You want to eat from my farm. But I am too dirty for you to accept that I'm your brother. You want to benefit from me, my own slots, but you don't want to call me brother. That's what you people are doing for many years. The Igbo nation, Ndi Igbo, have been a good brother to the people of Anioma and other South. If we tell the story correctly, the Nigerian Biafran War started because of the people of Anioma. Major General Chukwuma Kaduna Nsogo was the one in January 15, 1966, was the one that led the coup. He's from Anioma. He's from Opanam. He was the one that killed Isadona and his wife. Ojukwu took the fall. Ndi Igbo took the fall. After he executed his coup, military coup with his people, the Northern now saw it as Igbo coup. Therefore, classifying your brother from Anioma South as an Igbo man and started massacring Igbo people there. Igbo people also say, okay, no problem, we are still brothers. Once our brothers have F, we will still protect him. He's our brother. We did not discriminate. Ojukwu did not discriminate. He did not say, no, he's not our brother, he's from so place. We accepted it, your fuck up. We accepted your fuck up. And over 3 million Igbos died because of what your brothers did. Today, you don't want to associate yourself with the Igbos, but you want to take the Igbo slots and create your new state. Let me remind you that the new state is a slot for the Southeast. We want to have our Southeast states. Now, the Igbos are very welcoming, open-minded. When Senator Ned Nwoko passed the bill, we will now give you the slots, and you have the audacity to be telling us, oh, we don't want to associate ourselves with the Igbos. We will be in South and have our Anioma. Go and get your Anioma now. That is why I like the new generation of Igbo politicians. They are very calculative. They are not sympathetic and emotional like that of Ojukwu time. Now, what did they do? They say, we cannot trust these people again. Every time they will do something, we will try to be a big brother to them. But at the end, they will be treating us like a foreigner.